Hey, welcome back to my another video. My name is Ankush and I am a bug bounty hunter penetration tester. Today's video is based upon how to crack the zip file password. तो हमारे पास एक फाइल है that is a zip file and it is a password protected. So when I try to extract it, it is asking a password. So when I enter a password, so it shows wrong password. It means I forgot my password. Okay, so now it's time to crack it. So by using a John the Ripper, we can easily brute force the password on the zip file. So let's see how to crack it. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for getting my latest videos regarding bug bounty and cybersecurity. So first of all, open my terminal, and after that, the initial part is to fetch the hash file from the zip. Okay, so how we can gather the hashes of the zip file? Okay, by using the utility that is zip to John. It's a John the Ripper utility that is help to gather the hash from the zip file. So this is the command to gather the hash from the zip file. So press enter. It will be store hashes in the hash.txt. So you can see here hash.txt. So this is the hash. Now we will apply a brute force by using John the Ripper on it. Okay, so simply I write a John and hash.txt, that is our hash file. After that, click on it. So you can see here the password is cracked right now. Okay, so let's see the password. So you can see here this is our file, zip file, and the password is 1234. So this is the password of zip file. Let's try to extract by using this password. Put the password that we gather from John the Ripper. Now enter. So now it's successfully working and this is our folder. So this is the method or a technique to brute force on the zip file or to crack the zip file password. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you got something valuable, don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for getting a latest video. So we will meet next video. Bye bye.